Today we are in Port St. John's, Mngazana, Ward 3, Umqhakama Secondary School. We are here to talk to the people and to see how far our services and social development go. We're going to be asking people about their social grants. We're going to be asking people about their general conditions. We're going to be engaging communities to say what else would they want to see the Department of Social Development and government in general doing for them. Right now, we are in a very beautiful school, a brand new school called Umqhakama Secondary School. It is new. Therefore, that means our government, the government of the African National Congress, is ensuring that we build schools, we build clinics, we build roads, we build everything that would make it easy for our people. We are creating conditions for our people to thrive. And as a Department of Social Development, we are responsible for the well-being of our people. And the well-being of our people also depends on us having conversations about the people that we're talking about.